Hey, KB, man, you know we don't brag on our past, we just relate. Some folks think they mistakes don't keep them out the gates. It ain't about what you do, it's about what you did.
So coming here as a kid, it's really cool to see all of the traditions still held up with all the dancing and the singing and worshiping God. It's so cool. And then also to see the kids at the beginning of camp to now, how they have brought all the fruits of the Spirit out here. They've brought the patience, the kindness, the goodness, and they really show that in how they interact with each other in games and on the rec field. It's just so cool to see how God's working in all their lives.
Hi you guys, I'm Brittany. I've been a rec leader for 6 years now, and I've seen God work through the kids, especially on the rec field, whenever they work as a team and they open their hearts to their team, especially when they play their games.
I was a narcissist, but now I'm looking better. But I ain't fixed myself, ain't turned myself around. I gave it up and told the Lord that He can have it now. I used to do it too. I used to do it too. I used to do it, used to do it, used to do it too. I used to do it too. I used to do it too. I used to do it, used to do it, used to do it too. But I'm changed, now I'm something different. I'm changed, I love the way I'm living. To the Godhead, I gotta see something from the Rico, then they Devo, then my Evo, then my ego, now my Devo, all of me, bro, to the king, so we know that He redeems. So that right, homie, I'm different. At times I don't be feeling it. Salvation ain't a feeling, little homie, it's a position. Grace and the sin is great, but the greatest Savior's omnipotent. And you quit dissing Him, you ain't got no sins that He can't forgive. I used to do it too. I used to do it too. I used to do it, used to do it, used to do it too. I used to do it too. I used to do it too. I used to do it, used to do it, used to do it too. But I'm changed, now I'm something different. I'm changed, I love the way I'm living. I'm changed, save me from my own sin. I'm changed, I learned how to live again. See, Satan uses guilt to strip away our hope. He shows us our mistakes and tells us we're a joke. I used to sit and mope, like what's the point now? If I'm a Christian, how come every day I seem to fall? But I ain't know that all my sins were nailed upon the cross. I found this out in chapter 2 in the book of Colossians. See, the devil's a liar, yeah, he's an accuser. He tells me I'm worthless, he says I'm a loser. But now I refuse to let him lead me wrong. Reading the word in the moan got me feeling strong. I find my work in Christ and I'm pursuing truth, a living testimony, so you can do it too.